In this video, I will show you how I use AI to make things simpler in writing census paragraphs. To start with, we're going to go into the 1701 Acadian census transcript with corrections, and we're going to copy and paste a couple entries or a couple family entries into ChatGPT. So to start with, I'm going to go with the edit pencil, and then I'm going to do a Control F, which gives me this little search window, and I'm going to type in DUP, and it jumps right away down to the one that I'm looking for. So excuse me, I'm meant to get this one, the Pierre, D-U-P-U-Y. So I can close this little search box up here now that I've got what I want. So this family is what I want, and the one next down here is what I want. So I'm going to copy these two, but before I do, I want to show you what the corrections are on this. From this part where it says Pierre, D-U space P-U-Y, all the way to where the bracket starts, where inside the brackets is the correction. So D-U-P-U-Y is corrected to D-U-P-U-I-S, and Magdalene is corrected to Madeline, and her age is corrected from 47 to 51. And all these corrections are done ahead of time. So, and they're all in brackets. So the original transcription is without the corrections, and the corrections are within the brackets. And what we want to do is write a paragraph. I used to do this manually and enter it into each person in the family's profile. And in this case, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 with the servant. So there's 10 in this example. So we want to write paragraphs for 10 profiles, so we want to end up with 10 paragraphs. And AI is going to take this information right here, and it's going to make 10 paragraphs in my own style that I've used in the past for other profiles. So what I do is I highlight this, and I right-click, copy it, and I then go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste it in here. I've already done this for the video, so what I just copied, I pasted into here the first family and then the second family, which I didn't say much about. So now that I've done that, I'm going to tell Chat GPT by clicking on an up arrow, which is not here right now. And once I do that, it gives me the result, all the paragraphs, one line at a time down here. But instead of, these aren't word wrapped, so having it word wrapped, how I get that is I click on copy the code and it says it's copied, and then I close this window and I open up a Word file and I right click and I paste, and automatically what it does is it writes all the paragraphs for me. So all these paragraphs are made a lot quicker than I can do it, one at a time, and doing it manually and trying to figure out the punctuation and everything else. So we'll just go up to the first one here, which is Pierre Dupuis, and I'm going to make this a little bigger. We're going to copy this. This is the part that goes into the profile, so I'm going to right click on that copy, and I'm going to close this window. And now I want to go to the profile for him, and the way I'm going to do that is I'm just going to go back to the main page for the transcript and corrections, and again I'm going to do a Control F, and the DUP is already up there. I'm going to click the down arrow and down a few times until it gets to the one I want, and I can click on here and go straight to Pierre's profile, so that's why I went here. It's just a quick way for me to get to his profile. So I'll click on his name, and here's his profile. And what I do then is I go to the edit pencil again, and I want to jump down to the edit biography and text, and I then scroll down to 1701, get these in chronological order. So there's 1700. So what I did is I pasted 1701 right here. After I do that, I go down and I click on here, and I click on added the 1701 Port Royal census, and that pops up in here, and I've got that easy because it's I use it a lot, and then I click on full save. So that's the end of this tutorial. It's just an example to show you what a time saver Chat GPT is. So that's all for this lesson. Thanks for listening.